New York underage DWI attorney. Getting charged with an underage DWI in New York is more than just a traffic offense. It can shape your future. New York's zero-tolerance law allows for penalties when a driver under 21 has a BAC as low as 0.02%. That's an amount that can register after just one drink. The consequences are swift and serious, ranging from license suspension to a permanent criminal record. The law separates underage alcohol-related charges into categories. If your BAC is between 0.02% and 0.07%, you may face administrative penalties under the zero-tolerance law, including a 6-month license suspension and fines. When BAC levels rise to between 0.05% and 0.08%, you may be charged with DWAI, a traffic infraction that involves court, possible jail time, and a 90-day suspension. At 0.08% and above, the charge becomes a DWI, which is a misdemeanor crime. A conviction can include up to 1 year in jail, higher fines, and a 1-year license revocation. Aggravated DWI, triggered by a BAC of 0.18% or higher, leads to even stricter penalties. A refusal to take a chemical test also results in a 1-year license revocation under New York's implied consent laws. In addition, if fake IDs or alcohol possession are involved, you could face multiple charges. Law enforcement doesn't treat these cases lightly, especially for young drivers. The effects don't stop in court. An underage DWI conviction can negatively affect college applications, scholarship eligibility, and job prospects. Military enlistment may become harder, and future employers often conduct background checks. A record can prevent you from obtaining professional licenses and impact long-term career goals. A lawyer can challenge the circumstances of your arrest, like whether the traffic stop was valid or if the breathalyzer was properly calibrated. An attorney may also dispute the accuracy of field sobriety tests or the procedure used during chemical testing. These defenses could lead to reduced charges or even dismissal. New York offers diversion programs and alternative sentencing for some underage offenders. These include alcohol education classes, counseling, and monitored participation. Completing such a program can help you avoid a criminal record and reduce penalties like fines and license suspensions. Courts typically consider factors like BAC level, criminal history, and willingness to participate. A law firm that understands these options can guide you through them effectively. The Kugel Law Firm helps underage drivers navigate these complex charges with a focus on minimizing penalties and protecting their future. Their attorneys assess every detail, build strategic defenses, and pursue resolutions like diversion programs whenever possible. If you or a loved one is facing an underage DWI in New York, taking action quickly can make all the difference. Call the Kugel Law Firm at 212-372-7218 or visit them at 111 E 125th Street 2nd FL, New York, 10035, United States to get the support you need.